Hello student, welcome to the lecture. In this lecture we are going to discuss what is meant by stereoisomer and types of stereoisomerism. Along with this also we are going to discuss the various stereoisomerism in coordination number 4 and coordination number 6. So first we are going to start what is meant by the stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism when two compounds contains the same ligand coordinated to the same central metal atom, but the arrangement is different. But the arrangement of the ligand in space is different then the two compounds are stereoisomers of each other and the phenomena is known as a stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism and this stereoisomerism we know that again divided into two types, that is geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. So it will be again divided into geometrical isomerism and second one, that is optical isomerism. So let's discuss what is meant by the geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism in detail. So let's discuss what is meant by the geometrical isomerism. The type of isomerism arising due to the difference in the arrangement of group about the central metal atom or ion is known as geometrical isomerism. isomerism. Also termed as a cis and trans isomerism. So it also termed as cis and trans isomerism. So now let's discuss what is meant by the cis isomerism. Similar ligand are on the same side, are called cis isomer. And second, trans. Similar ligand are on opposite side is known as trans isomerism. But the phenomenon is known as a trans isomerism and the compound is known as a trans isomer. Let's discuss what is meant by the optical isomerism. Then let's discuss what is meant by the optical isomerism. Isomerism, when the isomer have a property to rotate the plane polarized light then they are known as optical isomerism. And phenomena is known as optical isomerism. Then again it will be divided into, as we know that the optical isomerism is again divided into two types. That is, first, that is dextrorotatory isomerism, when the rotation is clockwise is known as dextrorotatory. And second one, then what is meant by labiorotatory? Isomerism. Now when the rotation anticlockwise, you can write here, is known as labiorotatory. So when there is a rotation is clockwise is known as dextrorotatory, means at right side, and when the rotation is anticlockwise is known as a labiorotatory rotation, is anticlockwise means that the left side. So here these are the isomerism, stereoisomerism and their types, that is geometrical isomerism. In geometrical we are going to discuss, in geometrical isomerism we discuss the cis and trans isomerism, and second, that is optical isomerism. In optical isomerism we are discussed, that is dextrorotatory and labiorotatory isomerism. So now let's discuss this geometrical isomerism, means that the cis trans isomerism in coordination number 4. So as we know that the coordination number 4 means that there is a two arrangement are possible. First, that is tetrahedral arrangement, or the geometry, the possibility with 4 coordination number, that is tetrahedral geometry is possible, and square planar geometry is also possible. So tetrahedral and square planar. So here generally we are first going to discuss the geometrical isomerism in tetrahedral and in square planar respectively. So in tetrahedral geometry, the 4 ligands, the position of 4 ligands are equivalent. So it does not means that cis trans isomerism, the geometrical isomerism not possible, but the optical isomerism is possible in 4 coordination number, but the optical isomerism is possible in tetrahedral geometry. So here if you observe, and if we pass the mirror plane in that, so it will show whatever there will be the ligand is there. So it will be show the optical isomerism, but the geometrical isomerism is not possible in coordination number 4 because the positions of ligand is equivalent to each other. So it is not possible, it is not possible to differentiate the cis and trans in between this ligand. So this is all about the stereoisomerism in coordination number 4. We will stop here. In next lecture we are going to discuss the stereoisomerism or the geometrical or optical isomerism in coordination number 6. Thank you.